Alright guys, so coming along on the 99 Blazer here, getting her back together here. I picked up these used headlights for it, and they was in pretty bad shape. A lot of cloudiness on the lenses and stuff. This one here, I already cleaned it up. I don't know if you can see the difference or not on those, but there's a difference. This one here I've already sanded, and this one here I've already sanded and polished. And only thing I use, guys, to clean these on is just use this 3M 3000 grit sandpaper, wet sand it, and then I just got this buffing pad here, guys, on a drill, and then basically all I use is this here metal cream polish, Blue Magic metal cream polish is what I've been using, and it seems to be working pretty good on cleaning that. I didn't have any that stuff there you can buy to restore your headlights, but there's a difference. Like I said, I went ahead and I already sanded this. I thought I'd make a short video here of just how I clean my headlight lenses that are in real bad shape, and I don't know if that'll show up in the video or not, but you can see the cloudiness, the haze on this one here, and all I've done to this one so far is just sanded it. And this one here, like I said, I sanded it, and then I used that Blue Magic metal polish on the lens, and then I may go over this with a little bit finer plastic polish. I do have some of that around here somewhere, but anyways, guys, I thought I'd throw that video out there on if you just got some basic stuff around the house or around your shop area, you trying to clean up some headlights versus paying $20–25 for a headlight restoration kit. This seems to be working out pretty good. I didn't know how it was going to work out, how it was going to turn out, but it seems to be clearing them up really nicely. So I thought I'd throw that out there, guys. If you got some of that, just maybe some good metal polish like that, or whatever you use on your aluminum or chrome or whatever. And, you know, you could use 2,000, 2,500, or 3,000 grit sandpaper to take some of the, if you got scratches and stuff in the surface, maybe that help get rid of some of the cloudiness of the lens. And then once you do that, wet sand that, and then just go over with some kind of aluminum polish if you got that laying around your shop. And just get you a buffing wheel. If you got a buffing wheel, any kind of buffing wheel will work. And I don't know how good that's going to show up on the video, but so far that's the difference between the two. And this one was just as worse as this one here was, so you can see it's kind of hazed over, kind of cloudy looking. And this one here definitely a lot clearer now. Definitely cleared it up there, guys. So anyways, we're coming along on the 99 Blazer here, guys. Getting ready to put the front grille in and put the headlights in, turn lights, and get this thing fired up. Make sure everything's running good on it. And looks like I am going to have to get some kind of a new air cleaner housing here. It did bust this. There's supposed to be like a little clamp here where this clamps to. And then it sets up in here like this. And when she got in that wreck, if you check some of my other videos out on this vehicle here, it busted some of the housing here for the air filter. So I'll probably go to the junkyard, try to pick one of those up if I can, maybe tomorrow or something. And that way this here air cleaner housing will set up in there like it's supposed to. So there it is, guys. I thought I'd throw that short video out there on on those headlights. Like I said, if you got some stuff just laying around your shop there, don't necessarily need to go buy you a $20-25 headlight restoration kit. If you got, you know, some aluminum polish and some 2,000, 2,500, 3,000 grit wet sandpaper there, you can actually clean them up pretty nicely. And I'll probably go ahead and do these here too. Go over these and clean these here turn light lenses, get them cleaned up good so they're nice and clear. But so that will wrap this video up on that, guys. Thought I'd throw that out there for somebody that you know, like I said, had that stuff laying around their shop there, and not necessary to buy your headlight restoration kit for them, because you can do a pretty good job with just some kind of regular cleaner polish. You could probably even use some like Meguiar's paint. I don't got any in here. I got it stored inside right now, so this stuff don't freeze up. But it's what it is some paint. Help take fine scratches and stuff out of your paint. You could probably use that on there with a buffing pad too as well to clean them lenses up, and that would probably work pretty good too, doing it that way. So there you have it, guys. We'll catch you on the next video there.